Most people don't think of sleep as a form of medicine. It's just sleep, something you try to squeeze in between everything else. But I've seen what happens when you don't get enough of it, not just for a day or two, but over months or even years. It's quiet, subtle, but it builds. And it starts changing things inside your body before you even realize it. Let's talk about what actually happens when you consistently sleep less than your body needs. Your brain is the first to feel it. Memory gets fuzzier, focus slips. You start making more mistakes, little things, like forgetting why you walked into a room or missing a turn while driving. Over time, it starts to affect decision making and emotional regulation. You become more reactive, more sensitive to stress, and less able to recover from it. But that's just the surface. Your immune system starts to underperform. I've seen patients who get sick more often, common colds, slower recovery from infections, and they never connect it to sleep. They think they're just unlucky. Metabolically, sleep deprivation raises your cortisol levels, your stress hormone. It makes your body more resistant to insulin, which means higher blood sugar. That's a straight path to weight gain and increased risk of type 2 diabetes. It also messes with the hormones that control hunger and fullness, making you crave more food and not the healthy kind. Then there's your heart. It's easy to forget that your heart needs downtime too. People who sleep less than 6 hours regularly are at higher risk for high blood pressure, heart disease, even stroke. These aren't dramatic events that happen overnight. They build slowly, day by day, as your body tries to compensate. And of course, there's the emotional toll. Anxiety, irritability, low mood. It all gets worse without sleep. Not because you're weak, but because your brain literally can't process emotions the same way when it's exhausted. I've had patients who thought they were developing a mood disorder, but what they really needed was deep, consistent rest. So what can you do? Start by respecting your sleep like you respect your diet or your exercise routine. Make it a non-negotiable. That means a regular bedtime, a dark and quiet room, and no screens right before you sleep. If you can, keep your bedroom cool. If racing thoughts keep you up, consider a wind-down routine, reading, meditation, or simply dimming the lights an hour before bed. And if none of that helps, if you've tried and you're still exhausted, it might be time to ask a doctor. Conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, or even thyroid problems can keep your body from getting the rest it needs, even if you're technically asleep for 8 hours. Sleep is not a weakness. It's not laziness. It's a biological need. And it may be the one thing you're overlooking in your efforts to feel better. Thanks for listening. Take care of yourself, and if you're tired, really tired, don't ignore it. It's not just in your head. Your whole body is listening.